Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Today we will discuss about the most important topic, nervous system, anatomy and physiology MCQ. Let's start. First question. The structural and functional unit of the nervous system is option A axon, option B neuron, option C synapse, option D neurologia. The answer is option B neuron. Neuron is the basic unit of the nervous system. It's responsible for the receiving and processing and transferring the nerve impulses, like something is receiving here through the nerve, through the neuron, and then it's in processing and then it will transferring. So the answer is option B neuron. Next, which part of the neuron carries impulses away from the cell body? Option A dendrite, option B axon, option C soma, option D synapse. The answer is option B axon. Axon transmit impulses away from the cell body to target cell or the other neuron. So the answer is option B. Next, myelin sheath is the central nervous system is formed by option A Schwann cell, option B oligodendrocytes, option C astrocytes, option D microglia. The answer is option B oligodendrocytes, because oligodendrocytes form myelin in CNS, central nervous system, and Schwann cell forms in the myelin PNS, peripheral nervous system. It's PNS. It's formed from the PNS, and the oligodendrocytes form from the CNS. So the answer will be option B. Next, the junction between two neurons is called as the option A node of Ranvier, option B synapse, option C axon, option D dendritic spine. The answer is option B synapse. Between the two neurons is called as the synapse. Next, which neurotransmitter is primarily involved in neuromuscular junction? Option A dopamine, option B acetylcholine, option C GABA, option D serotonin. The answer is option B acetylcholine. Acetylcholine is the main neurotransmitter at the neuromuscular junction. Next, the outermost covering of the brain is option A arachnoid matter, option B dura mater, option C pia mater, option D myelin sheath. The answer is option B dura mater. Meninges consist of dura mater, outer layer, then middle layer is arachnoid matter, middle, and pia mater is the innermost layer. So the answer is option B dura mater. Next, which part of the brain regulates balance and coordination? Option A cerebrum, option B hypothalamus, option C cerebellum, option D medulla oblongata. The answer is option C cerebellum. Cerebellum controls the body posture, balance and coordination of voluntary movements. So the answer is option C. Next, the primary motor cortex is located in the frontal lobe, option B parietal lobe, option C temporal lobe, option D occipital lobe. The answer is option A, frontal lobe. Precentral gyrus of frontal lobe function as the primary motor cortex. So the answer is option A, frontal lobe. Next, Broca's area is concerned with option A, vision, option B, speech production, option C, hearing, option D, sensory interpretation. The answer is option B, speech production, because Broca's area in the frontal lobe regulates the motor control of the speech. So the answer is option B. Next, the vital centers for the respiration and cardiac function are located in option A, cerebrum, option B, midbrain, option D, medulla oblongata, option D, cerebellum. The answer is option C, medulla oblongata. In medulla controls vital functions like breathing, heart rate and blood pressure. Next, the sympathetic division of the autonomic nervous system arise from option A, cranial nerves only, option B, thoracolumbar region, option C, sacral region, option D, brainstem. The answer is option B, thoracolumbar region. Sympathetic nervous system originates from T1 to L2 segments of the spinal cord. So the answer is option B. Next, which cranial nerve is purely sensory? Option A, trigeminal, option B, vagus, option C, optic, option D, facial. The answer is option C, optic nerve. Optic nerve is the second cranial nerve, carries only the sensory impulses for the vision. Next, the longest cranial nerve is option A, vagus nerve, option B, trigeminal nerve, option C, facial nerve, option D, hypoglossal nerve. The answer is option A. It is a 10th cranial nerve. Vagus nerve is extended to thoracic and abdominal organ, and it is the longest cranial nerve. Next, which lobe of the brain is responsible for the vision? Option A, frontal lobe, option B, temporal lobe, option C, parietal lobe, option D, occipital lobe. The answer is option D, occipital lobe. Occipital lobe houses the primary visual cortex. Next, the relay station of sensory information to the cerebral cortex is option A, pons, option B, thalamus, option C, hypothalamus, option D, midbrain. The answer is option B, thalamus. Thalamus acts as the relay center for the most sensory impulses. Next, the parasympathetic nervous system originates from option A, craniosacral outflow, option B, thoracolumbar outflow, option C, only cervical nerves, option D, only lumbar nerves. The answer is option A, craniosacral outflow. Parasympathetic fibers arise from the cranial nerve 3, 7 and 9 and 10 and the sacral nerves. So the answer is option A. Next, which of the following is not a glial cell? Option A, astrocyte, option B, oligodendrocyte, option C, Ependymal cell. Option D, neuron. The answer is option D, neuron. Glial cells support and protect the neurons but are not the neurons themselves. Next, the gap between two Schwann cells is called as option A, synapse, option B, axon hillock, option C, node of Ranvier, option D, neurofibril. The answer is option C, node of Ranvier. Nodes of Ranvier allow the saltatory conduction of nerve impulses. Next, the cerebrospinal fluid CSF is produced mainly by option A, ependymal cell, option B, astrocytes, option C, choroid plexus, option D, dura-mater. The answer is option C, choroid plexus. CSF is secreted by the choroid plexus of the ventricles. So the answer is option C. Next, Rinke's area is associated with option A, speech comprehension, option B, motor speech, option C, balance, option D, reflexes. The answer is option A, speech comprehension. It is located in the temporal lobe, is responsible for the understanding the language. So the answer is option A. Next, the fight or flight response is mediated by parasympathetic nervous system, option B, sympathetic nervous system, option C, somatic nervous system, option D, enteric nervous system. The answer is option B, sympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic system prepares the body for the emergency action. Next, which part of the brain controls the temperature regulation and the hunger? Option A, thalamus, option B, hypothalamus, option C, cerebellum, option D, pons. The answer is option B, hypothalamus. Hypothalamus regulates temperature, hunger, thirst and endocrine function. So the answer is option B. Next, which nerve supplies the diaphragm? Option A, vagus nerve, option B, phrenic nerve, option C, spinal accessory nerve, option D, hypoglossal. The answer is option B, phrenic nerve. Phrenic nerve C3 to C5 controls the diaphragm contraction for the breathing. Next, which of the following is not part of the brainstem? Option A, midbrain, option B, pons, option C, medulla oblongata, option D, cerebellum. The answer is option D, cerebellum. Brainstem consists of midbrain, pons and medulla oblongata, but not cerebellum. So the answer is option D. Next, the neurotransmitter GABA is mainly excitatory, option B, inhibitory, option C, both, option D, hormonal. The answer is option B, inhibitory. GABA, gamma amino butyric acid, is the chief inhibitory neurotransmitter in the central nervous system. So the answer is option B. Next, which nerve is known as the wandering nerve? Option A, trigeminal nerve, option B, facial nerve, option C, vagus nerve, option D, glossopharyngeal nerve. The answer is option C, vagus nerve. Vagus nerve is called as the wandering due to its wide distribution. Next, which lobe of the brain is concerned with the hearing and memory? Option A, temporal lobe, option B, frontal lobe, option C, parietal lobe, option D, occipital lobe. The answer is option A, temporal lobe. Temporal lobe process auditory signals and memory function. Next, which part of the brain is responsible for secretion of melatonin? Option A, thalamus. Option B, pineal gland. Option C, pituitary gland. Option D, hypothalamus. The answer is option B, pineal gland. Pineal gland regulates the circadian rhythm through the melatonin secretion. So the answer is option B. Next, which cells from the blood-brain barrier? Which cell from the blood-brain barrier? Option A, astrocytes. Option B, oligodendrocytes. Option C, Schwann cell. Option D, microglial. The answer is option A, astrocytes. Astrocytes regulate passage of substances and form blood-brain barrier. Next, which cranial nerve is called eye movement of the nerve? Option A, optic. Option B, oculomotor. Option C, olfactory. Option D, trochlear. The answer is option B, oculomotor. Oculomotor cranial nerve third controls most eye movements, pupil constriction and eyelid elevation. So the answer is option B. Thank you everyone. If you are liking the content and if it is helpful for you, please like our video, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you everyone.